Alright everyone, welcome back to the Efsane video. So in today's video, I want to game you guys through this interesting project called Efsane. Now, as a new registered member, there are a few basic things you're going to be earning from here, but I want to put you guys through the step-by-step guide. Currently, I am on the level 0, which is basically showing right here, alright? So this is a brand new account that I just registered, and I want to share with you guys what to basically do. Now, once you register, you're going to have a frozen gem, which is going to be available in your account. And aside the frozen gem, if you check down right below, you're still going to be having an extra earning right here. So what you're going to be doing to unlock your frozen gem is for you to click on the sign in section, and you're automatically going to be getting these frozen gem unlocked in the next 2 days, right? So all you have to do is just to come in every 24 hours to click on the sign in section, and you're going to be unlocking this. Now, anytime you click on sign in, you get the value of this, and then you get the value of the gem. All right, so all you have to do is to make sure to stack up as much as you can, and you're basically going to be generating profit by using this opportunity. So this is something that you can give a trial with your mobile phone, and you can make a whole lot of earning from it. Now, aside this, if you click on this icon right here, you'll notice where they say spot account, and by clicking on the spot account, you automatically notice that I have over $6. Now, the gems that we'll basically have in our account is equivalent to over $6. All right, so you can see right here, this is the gems right over here, over 2,000 gems, which is equivalent to over $6. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the gem cash, which is also still provided right over here. If you want to make your swap, if you want to convert your gems, you can come to the swap, the flash swap right here, where you can basically get to like swap your gems and get to like convert it into either the Efsane token, or you can basically swap it into any other token that's currently available when the swap activates. Now let's go back to the spot account again. Now over to the spot account right over here, there are a few things I basically want you guys to know about this. If by any chance you want to basically withdraw your money, come to the withdrawal menu right over here. You have an option to withdraw through USDT, and you also have to select either the 20 network or the Ethereum network to withdraw through USDT. Also, handling fee is going to be deducted from every single withdrawal you're going to be making right here. Other things you basically need to notice about this particular update is going to be provided for you guys, such as the news and other information which is going to help you out to generate profit. Now, for you to make a whole lot of gains from this particular profit, you have to focus on the invite reward. Now, by clicking on the invite reward, you're going to be generating access to the invitation link. Copy this link and share this out with your friends. As long as you basically invite your friends to the system, you earn gems. All right, these gems can be converted into USDT, which is going to help you to generate a whole lot of profit, and you can basically make a whole lot of gains from it. So if you give this a try right now, you'll gain access to it, and then you can basically get to like withdraw your funds once you hit a minimum withdrawal amount. So make sure to basically refer anybody that is around you, share your invite link with them, and teach them how to basically make use of the system. Now we have other things like the lucky draw session. All right, this is basically something you can give a try, and it's going to help you to like stack up some funds. So if you come to the lucky draw session, you're going to be getting access to do some lucky draws. With the amount of gems you basically have, you can participate in the lucky draws, and you can make a whole profit from it. So there are a lot of options right here, like the prize pool, which you can basically win and generate a whole lot of profit. This particular project is running right now, and it's a good opportunity for those that are super interested in this kind of project to give it a trial. You can make a whole lot of gain from it, and aside this, you can also still get to refer your friends. Now, by referring your friends gets to earn you extra income. You want to change your password, you can do that right here. System notification is going to be provided right here. All the tax section are going to be provided right here. So that means if you register every single day, you can monitor any tax that is required for you to be done. And once you're able to do this tax correctly, you can start making a whole lot of profit from this particular update. Checking in, you can see your daily check-in is already being done. So if you share a lucky draw, you're going to be getting this. If you do your lucky draw, you're going to be getting this, and a whole lot of profit which is going to be accumulated on this particular project. Now let's head over straight to the personal section again. If you scroll down a little bit, here is where you're going to notice all your gems and also all your earnings on your account. And also, if by any chance you have this particular project running on your mobile phone, mind you, they get to distribute their airdrop for you. So you can see this is their airdrop address. Click on it, and you can basically see every single information. All right, So stay tuned for more updates like this. If you found this helpful, give this a try. Let me know in the comment section if it is helpful to you by any chance. Stay tuned and stay blessed.